Word.
Gentlewoman's recognized for 5 minutes.
Madam Chairman, House Republicans have made their agenda really clear. What's obvious is that it's really not about creating jobs, it's not about addressing the economy, but rather the extreme agenda is to undermine women's access to reproductive health care and attack women's health providers that women rely on in their communities. We've seen an all-out assault on Planned Parenthood. Instead of attacking unemployment, Republicans are waging a war against women. This is not about federal funding of abortion, and it is not about quality of care. This is about cutting off women's access to affordable care in an effort to score political points. This amendment does nothing to improve the economy. It will result in lost jobs, and it will take away the only source of primary and preventive care from millions of American women. Planned Parenthood, a trusted organization by women, plays a critical role in our nation's health care system, and the Pence amendment would have a devastating impact on communities across the country. Planned Parenthood serves over 3 million Americans every year. More than 90% of the care Planned Parenthood Health Centers offers is preventive care. Planned Parenthood provides life-saving cancer screenings, routine gynecological examinations, contraceptive services, immunizations, and testing and treatment for sexually transmitted infections. Planned Parenthood saves money. So this is not about saving federal dollars. It saves money. For every dollar spent on the services I mentioned and others, $3 are saved. 1 in 5 American women has received care from a Planned Parenthood health center at some point in her life, making it one of the largest women's health care providers in the country. And now is not the time to constrict women's access to and funding for Planned Parenthood, and American women will suffer if the extreme Republican agenda becomes law. 6 in 10 women who access care from women's health centers, like Planned Parenthood's health centers, consider it to be their main source of health care. This amendment intends to literally wipe Planned Parenthood off the map. Planned Parenthood is an invaluable community-based provider and is critical to achieving the goals of improving quality health care in this country, including efforts to improve women's health, lower the rate of unintended pregnancies, and decrease infant mortality. You know, I find it ironic, very disturbing, that the very same people that want to take away family planning funding and access to safe and legal abortions, which are not funded by public dollars, have also proposed a nearly $750 million cut to the Women, Infant, and Children program to pregnant women and newborn children. This, like the repeal of health care reform, is part of the Republicans' divisive social agenda that goes too far. Now is the time to be working on the issues that are most important to Americans, creating jobs and improving the economy, rather than legislation that takes health care away from women. And I'll yield back.
Gentlewoman yields back. For what purpose does the gentleman from Arizona rise?
I move to strike the last word.
Gentleman's recognized for 5 minutes.
Hi, Madam Chairman, I want to thank